Hey yo, and welcome back to Japan, where you and I make skincare products with not too many ingredients and not too much time. Today's experiment is a super easy 2-ingredient lip balm that contains no coconut oil or Vaseline. I was shooting for no beeswax as well, but the lip balm has to be bonded together some way or it'll just melt everywhere. So we just gonna have to bite the bullet and get some beeswax in there too. So the 2 ingredients that you will need are beeswax and corn oil. Corn oil has high levels of vitamin E and it's jam-packed with polyunsaturated fatty acids. Wow, I didn't butcher that, and I butcher saying butcher. So vitamin E is going to help heal our lips, and the polyunsaturated fatty acids are going to help moisturize our winter abused lips. And the beeswax, again, is just a bonding agent and it also locks in the moisture. You'll need 2 pots, a plastic knife, tablespoon and a teaspoon, and a container for your lip balm. Optional ingredients would be eyeshadow, lipstick, or crayon. But I naturally don't have crayons because I hate them. To make our lives easy, just 1 tablespoon of beeswax and 1 teaspoon of corn oil, which is what I initially intended, but I added a tablespoon more of corn oil later in the heating phase, but you can add as little or as lot of whichever ingredient you want. At this point, you would also want to chop your pigment and melt it as well. I just want a plain lip balm though. I'm simple. Once done, pour it into your container and let it harden. But wait, I had a last minute idea to make a lip scrub to really get those baby soft lips. So just add sugar when it's hardened a tad, so now you can tag team your lips. Then voila, healthy, moisturizing lip balm and scrub. Question of the day: are you a lip licker or do you prefer wearing a lip balm or chapstick? I tried the lip licking life for a day and nearly broke my lips off. It was only because I forgot my chapstick at home anyways. Alright, you. I'll see you next week.